Alright, welcome, man. Today we're looking at our photoshops again. Now, first thing I want to talk about is the whole thing going on with Wrapped Group. Wow. Can I just say, I'm very sad to hear that Wrapped is going to close down. I'm very sad to hear that because they were against Go Ahead. Wrapped was a very standard company that knew what they were doing. The interiors were beautiful. They really suit the BYD ADL EVs very much, especially with the high spec interior. They really suit them. Uh, yeah, man. Rap was a decent company, man. Apparently, they're looking to cease their operations. I don't know when, but apparently it could be sometime in 2024 or 2025. There is confirmed that they're gonna leave London sometime. Yeah, but that is sad, man. That's sad. Raptors done very well over the years. They're a very nice company, man. Even the uniform, how they present themselves as a company is very nice and standard and professional. I've always loved how Raps do their thing, man. Like seriously, like when you go on the bus, you feel like you're on a nice modern thing, man. You don't feel like you're on an old bus when you step foot into a Raptor bus. It feels very modern. But yeah, they've done very well. They've done very well. I'm sad to hear that company's going, man. But I am excited to see how their original bosses will settle under different companies. Like imagine, yeah, the H routes. Imagine if Riva get back the 142. I mean, no. Imagine if Riva get back the 258, the H18, and they get some other H routes. Imagine that. Imagine the Riva get 94. Imagine Abelio get 371, 333, 65. Imagine go ahead get the C1. Imagine, man. Imagine. But yeah, anyways, getting back on track. Here's the Photoshop I did. So this one, it was the ADL69 Photoshop. Uh yeah, it was originally a boss doing like the W15 or something like that. And then I photoshopped it into my own boss, gave it my own newly fitted LEDs. Don't know, you know the thing. Anyways, let's go to the next pick, innit? Now this pick, it was originally a stagecoach E200 EV, the 323 ones, and I turned it to a brand new LX23 retain bought bought for stagecoach be re-awarded the 178. And this is what if a normal interior, I mean, old interior EE did the 119 instead of the high spec ones. And then this is a 78. What if the HA's destination was just like the ALXs and Gemini ones at the front? Car, obviously, the city body kind of reminds me of the ALX with this bit here, and then most people won't see it, but I kind of see it, and the body's not that round, unlike the MMC. Yeah. And this was just a basic Photoshop. I took off the logo just to see how it looks without the logo in it. And this one changed it to 161. This one just got rid of all the logos, and then I said, "What if Stagecoach got a MMC, a 2020 MMC E400 hybrid? Yeah, 12452. What if this was a thing, and Stagecoach actually used the up-to-date interior instead of just doing orange poles and blue seating? Imagine if they actually did leather with blue poles. That would actually hit. That would hit, fam. Oh, and then this is what if Arriva got ENXs retain retaining the 469? And this is what if a hybrid MMC existed? It would basically be the same as the MRAV 400 MMC hybrid 11001. This is what if Stagecoach decided to give back one of the smart hybrids, the old livery in it. And this is what if a MMC had square windows, don't know, just like an ALX. This is what if an MMC had the old livery. Yeah. This is what if a Stagecoach and Rod 200 managed to get the old livery. Yeah, yeah. This is what if now this year. This is what if companies were still doing the old. Companies could still do their own livery with buses. And for those of you man that know, Stagecoach, along with changing their logo, they also changed the livery. So I looked at the Stagecoach livery for outside of London, and I tried blending that in with the London one, and this is how it turned out. Now, if this, I pray companies can go back to doing their own liveries again, man. In London, please, please, TFL. It actually made London more iconic. It actually made it more iconic. This one, it's just a what if Arriva got a smart hybrid from Stagecoach, and yeah, this is what if Arriva EA got rebranded and shit. Yeah, all right. This one, oh, when Wrapped sees operations in London, what if go ahead take one of their routes? I mean, yeah, this is what if Arriva take the 94. What if Transport UK, formerly known as Abellio, take the 371. This is what if Transport UK take the 65. So I carried it on from Abellio's fleet numbering, Transport UK's fleet numbering from the U5 batch. I skipped ahead a bit, 3450. And this is what if Aretha took the H18 back. I hope that happens. And then this is what if uh, a BE had got the old rap delivery man. Yeah, that's it. Wait, is that it? Yeah, that's it. But yeah, you see these last picks, yeah. These last picks, not this one. These last few picks, they just symbolize and what if what would happen if company what would happen to a Raptor when they fully flee from London. Oh, bro, this will actually be interesting, man, to see how the boss is settling under different companies. Now, this was just a guess. I don't. This was just a random guess. I don't know what Transport UK would number these two if they got them. I don't know, but it's just a random guess. Yeah. Can you help me buy this? Yeah. Safety, man.